Hello and welcome to the status report overview of SKAGEN Kon-Tiki in November. Kon-Tiki was down 1.9%, outperforming the MSCI Emerging Markets Index, which fell 3.2%. Year to date, the fund is up 8.1%, which is 10% ahead of the benchmark. One new position was initiated during November, and we increased our holdings in 4 others. We reduced our position in 2 companies. The third quarter earnings season is now mostly complete. Results have generally been mixed, but within our portfolio, more companies have surprised positively than negatively. One observation is that companies reporting strong results have tended to be rewarded with share price outperformance following the announcement, and similarly, the reverse is true for those that have undershot expectations. Finally, we have made some changes to our target prices. More of that in a moment. Now let's take a look at the month's largest contributors and detractors. Looking at the positive side, and some familiar names are top of the winners list. Hyundai Motor and Great Wall Motor were the best performers for the month, as they have been for the year, as the 2 car manufacturers continue to go from strength to strength. On the downside, Banrisul, the Brazilian bank, announced third quarter results well below expectations and topped the losers list. Other negative contributors of note were Bharti Airtel of India and Indosat, which has been the largest detractor year to date. Now let's run through the portfolio composition and have a look at what's changed. On the buy side, Avance Gas entered the portfolio. It was recently spun off from Frontline 2012, another position in the fund, and is essentially a play on the recovering shipping market. We bought shares in Yingli Green on valuation grounds, as the share price has fallen 60% from its October highs when we sold some of our position. We also continued to increase our position in Haitong Securities, as we believe it will be one of the major beneficiaries of reforms in the Chinese finance sector. Similarly, we increased our holding in Marfrig, as we believe the company will benefit from trends in the food chain and Latin American sourcing of meat. And finally, DRB Highcom was bought, as we think there's a lot of hidden value in the company that should eventually be realised. Turning to the sell side, and we trimmed 2 positions. Tata Global Beverages was sold as the company is taking longer than anticipated to revamp its product lineup, and we sold TSKB to lock in profits during a relatively quiet month for the stock. Finally, let's have a look at the largest holdings. The portfolio remains attractively valued, both on an absolute and relative basis. This month, we've made target price changes for our holdings. Of the top 12 companies, Hyundai Motor has been increased by 18%, Great Wall Motor by 6%, ABB by 8%, AP Møller-Mærsk by 25%, and Naspers by 20%. Vale has been trimmed by 9%. That's it for this month. Thank you very much for watching. Have a Merry Christmas, and for more information, please visit the SKAGEN Kon-Tiki section of the SKAGEN website.